Okay, copy the notes down. Here we go. So it's solving a system of what? A system of what? Linear. They're lines. Later it's going to be a line and a curve. Later it's going to be two curves. That's when you get to algebra 2 and pre-calc. But right now it's simple two lines. Let's go, Ismael. Solving a system of linear equations. There's actually several methods. We already did one on Friday. The first method was if you graph them. If I actually sit there and graph them, I can see it. I can see where the two lines intersect, and I can call out that solution. We know the solution means the coordinates. Give me the coordinates. Solving a system of linear equations, but this is going to be substitution method. Substitution method. Well, it's kind of telling you what you're going to need to do there. What's the word you hear in here? What's the word? What's the key word that you hear in the word substitution? Submarine? Subway? No. Substitute. Isn't substitute the root word for substitution? Yeah. And to substitute, you guys kind of say like plug it in, or I don't know. You guys have these other little terms, but sorry, you got to use the correct terminology here. You're going to be able to substitute. Okay, let me just go ahead. We're not graphing. This is substitution method. Okay, solve this system. Now remember, you need to have two coordinates. You need an x coordinate and you need a y coordinate. If you just get one answer, if you just get like one number, is that it? Are you finished? No, you have to get the x coordinate and the y coordinate. You have to find two numbers. So I'm going to put number 1 here. Go ahead and copy it. Number 1 is 3y plus 5x equals -1. And number 2 is, oh, this one's too easy. I don't even know why I put this one, but it's okay. Y is equal to 8. What do you guys notice about this one? Does everybody agree this is a line? Yes. Do you have to solve it for y? No. That's only if you're graphing. This is also a line. It's a horizontal line going through y at the coordinate 8, at the number 8. But we're not doing graphing method. We're doing substitution method. You're going to find this all, using arithmetic and algebra and stuff. Does everybody agree I need to find two answers? I need to find the x coordinate and I need to find the y coordinate? Yeah. This is what I need to find. But what's the funny thing about this one? They're already giving you one of the answers. One of the coordinates. I already have it. Everybody agree I have one of them? I already know this one. This one's given. What is the answer for the y?
8.
You see, I already got one. I'm going to circle it. That's one of them I need. I got to find the other one. Sometimes you'll find the y first and then the x. Sometimes you'll find the x coordinate, but then you got to go and find the y. So understand that. You got to find two answers. Okay, I already found the y coordinate. I didn't find it. It was given. Who can tell me how you would find the other one? You're going to substitute. This is going to be why do you think it's called substitution method? You're going to eventually substitute one equation into the other. One of the equations is going to be substituted. Substitute one equation, what did I say, into the other. Write that in. That is essentially the concept here and what's going to be true about the problems you're going to see today. One of the equations has to be substituted into the other. Okay. Does everybody agree here? We're going to put this 8 where it says y is equal to 8 right there. Yeah? Let me write that in. 3y plus 5x equals -1. We're going to put y equals +8. We're going to substitute right there. Does everybody agree that's what we're going to do? Yeah, this one's a really simple one. So when I substitute It's substitution method. Tell me what the new equation is now. What is it? Isn't it 3 times what? 3 times 8, and then you copy the rest. Plus 5x equals -1. Yeah. And see, when you do that substitution method, there will be only one variable left, and it'll be the one you need to find. Okay. I'm going to get 24, because 8 times 3 is 24, plus 5x is equal to -1. Okay, you guys can finish that, right? How do we solve for this variable that we need to find? Oh, yeah, the x. That's the one I need to find. I already know the y. I don't need to find the y. Yeah, I'm going to find the x right here. Does everybody agree that's going to be 5x equals -25, right? Because when this positive 24 gets thrown to the other side, it becomes -24. And -1 and -24 add up to -25, yeah. Oh, we're going to get a nice answer here. We're going to get the answer what? For the x coordinate, the answer is what? Yeah, right? 5 times what will give me a -25? Oh, -5. Yeah. Okay. Am I finished? Am I finished? Am I finished? Did I find both coordinates? Do we have both coordinates? Yes, we found both coordinates. Are you finished? No, you're not finished. Because you haven't told me the solution. Remember, the solution is a coordinate. Now, I have these two numbers. I have one that says 8 and the other one's -5. Or is it going to be -5, 8? Or do they mean the same thing? Marlene Mayorga, you have a summons. Here you go. Can you pass this? Can you pass this to her? Can you pass this that way? Which one's right? But the y is 8 and the x is -5. The x is -5 and the y is 8. This one's right. Don't write it the wrong way. Okay? You have to write it as a coordinate. See, you're not visually seeing the two lines. You're not graphing them. But we know that the coordinate, the solution, is that point where these two lines would intersect. Yeah? Okay, let's go faster now. Number 2. Remember, if there's something you miss or I'm going too quick, I'm recording this so you guys can see it again and listen to it again or get the notes or whatever. Okay. What about this one? Here's number 2. Copy it down, look at it. Do I have the answer for one of them? Because I got to find 2. I got to find the x coordinate and I have to find the y. Is this one giving you anything? No. See, I got nothing. I got no numbers. Damn. Okay. Well, don't matter. We're going to have to substitute. Remember, that's the key thing here. This is substitution method. You got to look at this and determine which one gets substituted. Which one do you substitute into which one? What do you guys think? This says y is equal to what? Y is equal to 6x. Does everybody agree that you're going to put right there 6x? Are you going to put it over here for the x or are you going to put it for the y? Substitute. I'm saying put it. No, I shouldn't say put it. Substitute. Substitute right there. Okay, so I'm going to rewrite this one. And I'm going to write 7x minus 8 times something is equal to -4. What do I put right there for that? 1. What do I put for y? 6x. Everybody agree this is going to be right here, 6x? Yeah. Okay. All right. That's going to be 7x minus 48x is equal to, is that right? Yeah. Is equal to negative 4. Oh, we're going to get a fraction. Oh, okay, that's good. You can get fractions. I didn't want to get a fraction, but oh well. What is, unless I copied it wrong. Did I copy this wrong? Is that negative? Oh no, that's negative 41? Is that what that is? Yeah. Negative 41x is equal to negative 4? Oh, I don't want something like this. Oh wow, let's go, let's continue. This is a horrible fraction one. Maybe I copied it wrong. Oh well, usually you get some nice answers. What is the answer that you're going to get for x, the coordinate? Negative 4 over negative 41, which is really positive. Is that right? Yeah. Oh well, that's what we got, unless we made a mistake or whatever. Okay, that's the x coordinate. Am I done with this problem? No. Remember, you have to find the x coordinate. Now you got to find the other coordinate. Which one do you have to find? Find the other coordinate. Anybody know how to find the other coordinate? Well, you're going to come back to these two. You're going to use one of the two. It doesn't matter which one. You're going to choose one of these two to use to substitute. Let's pretend the answer for x, I know this came out horrible. Let's say the answer for x was 2. Let's say the answer was 2 here. Forget this. If the answer was 2 for x, would you be able to tell me what y is? If we're just pretending here, let's say the answer for x was not this ugly fraction. Let's say the answer for x was 2. This one, pretend. What would be the answer for y when I put x over here? You guys see that? If x is 2, then I put it here and I get y is equal to 6 times 2 and I get that. Yeah, I was hoping it would be a nice answer, but it gave me this fraction. Substitute other coordinates. So find other coordinate by substituting again, right? Here's where you got to look at these two, and you're going to use the easier one. Okay, so I'm going to choose this one. I'm going to use y is equal to 6 times x. That's the easier of the two. How are you going to get the answer for y? Well, isn't x this? I got to put this answer for x right here, right? It wasn't 2. It was this ugly fraction, 4 over 41. Isn't this really saying 6 times what? 4 over 41? Ugh, yeah, it is. Okay, how do you multiply 6 times 4 over 41? Well, we're supposed to put a 1 under the 6. And then we're supposed to check if these cancel, but see, they don't. They don't cancel. So anybody know how to multiply this and just give me the answer? Well, you just multiply the top two numbers and then you just multiply the bottom two numbers? Yeah. Yeah, this one didn't come out good because it gave me this ugly fraction. 24 over. Okay, why did I write x? That's the coordinate for what? For y. Okay, I found the x coordinate and I found the y coordinate. Are you finished? Are you finished? No, why not? What are you supposed to do? You got to write the solution correctly in a coordinate. Remember, it has to be in a coordinate. How are you going to write this as a coordinate? It has to be a coordinate like that, right? Parentheses, and then what's your x coordinate? Which one should go here? 4 over 41 is the x coordinate, and the y coordinate is 24 over 41. Okay, let me pick one that works out nice. That one was pretty ugly. All right, let's do this last one here. 3. I'm just gonna make one up. 6x minus 4y is equal to what should I put here? 12? Okay, sure. And let's go with x is equal to let's see, I gotta think of something. Oh no, I didn't want to get a fraction. Oh wow, looks like we are. What is that? What is that saying? What is that saying when it says that x is equal to y? This one you got a kind of like a choice. You can change the x here to a y, or you can change the y to what? To an x, whichever way you want to do it. Okay, so what do you think? Well, let's just say, let's change the x to a what? Change that x to a y. Substitute. That's going to be 6 times something minus 4y equals 12. But instead of this x, just change it to a what? This x is going to be what? Y? Yeah. And now that's going to say what? Oh, 6y take away 4y is equal to 12? Oh, this is going to come out nice. What's 6y take away 4y? Oh, wow, here we go. 2y is equal to 12. Oh, I got a good answer. I got a nice whole numbered answer. Sometimes you'll get fractions and they get sloppy, but the process is the same. Everybody get the answer, y is equal to 6? Okay, am I finished? No, now I gotta go find the other coordinate. If I found y, does everybody agree? I gotta find the other coordinate, which is x. But what's the good thing about this one? What's the funny thing about this one? Which equation would you use here to figure it out? The top one, which is like a bunch of work and numbers and everything, or this one? The easier one, right? What does it mean when x is equal to y? What does that mean, everybody? Doesn't that mean that whatever the answer for x is the same answer for y? Whatever, that's what equal means. So if y is equal to 6, that means x is also equal to what? That means x is also 6. That's kind of a rare situation, but it'll happen. You have some in there. Am I finished? Are you finished? I don't think you can write this one wrong. How do you write the solution? 6, 6. Okay, I'll continue and do some more examples tomorrow, but I'll put the assignment there for you guys to start and do what you can. If not, just wait for tomorrow and I'll finish the notes. All right, have a good day.